Hello everyone. And welcome to another comparison video. Please subscribe to my channel and help me achieve 1000 subscribers. Let's start. Today we will compare Vivo V15 Pro with Huawei View 20 and find out the best one. V15 Pro has 6.6-inch screen with 388 pixels per inch, while previous V20 has 6.4-inch screen with 398 pixels per inch. The upcoming V15 has an improved camera setup with huge 32 megapixels front camera and 48, 8 and 5 megapixels rear camera, while V20 has 25 megapixels selfie camera and huge 48 megapixels rear camera setup. Vivo V15 Pro will be available in 6 and 8 GB RAM with 128 GB storage options, while View 20 is available in 6 and 8 GB RAM with 128 and 256 GB storage options. However, V20 do not support SD card or extra storage. V15 has Snapdragon 675 chipset with 2.0 Octa Core processor, while V20 has Kirin 980 chipset with 2.6 Octa Core processor. V15 is equipped with 3700 mAh battery, while previous View 20 has 4000 mAh battery. V15 Pro will be available in $450 and V20 is available in $640. Both smartphones have good screen protection, and both smartphone will operate under Android Pie. Both smartphones are compatible with dual SIM options, and V15 Pro also have SD card slot. However, both devices do not have any water and dust IP protection. You cannot use any of the device to pay any kind of bills, because they do not support mobile payment. Both smartphones do not have wireless, while they support fast charging options. For security, both smartphones are equipped with fingerprint scanner. However, no Face ID or face scan is available. Vivo V15 Pro is available in blue color. However, no other colors are known until now. That's all from today's video. In our opinion, both devices worth the money as they are giving so many advantages. Which device will you prefer? Let us know by commenting. And yes, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.